Hello.
Hello, sir.
Uh, Good morning to everyone. Shall we start the class?
Sir, that module is completed.
Yeah. That module is completed. I'll send a notes, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, now we will go for the next module, that is module 2. Okay, so in the module 2, it is very important that mathematical induction. So, everyone knows mathematical induction. So, have you studied in PUC?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So here we will see what exactly the rules of mathematical inductions. So the principle, just I'll read it, you can see the principles of mathematical induction. Okay, let Sn be an open statement where n belongs to z plus in the sense set of all positive integers satisfying the following condition. So first condition is here. It's very important. Sn is true for n equal to 1. So first we have to check it for n is equal to 1. Okay. So that is very important. First you just check it for n is equal to 1. That is S of 1. You take n equal to 1. So you have to prove that S of 1 is 2. Take LHS separately and RHS separately and prove it. So to go for the next condition. If Sn is true for next we have to assume n is equal to k. Okay, so if Sn is true for n is equal to k, where that k belongs to z plus, then we will go for Sk plus 1 is true. Sk plus 1 is true. Equivalently, whenever Sk is true, then Sk plus 1 should be true. Okay, then we can say that Sn is true for all n belongs to z plus. So what we will do is that we will take n is equal to 1 and we say that that is true. Next, I'll assume n is equal to k. The result is true for n is equal to k. Next, the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. That we will see. That is what the simple thing about this. Okay, so that is we go for the working procedure. Okay, so given statement Sn, how we will work is that given statement Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. First, this is very important, we verify that S of 1 is true. Wherever n is there, take n is equal to 1. Okay, so make sure that it is true, that is S of 1 is true. That all the things we will study in the examples. Next, we assume that Sn is true for an arbitrary integer k greater than equal to 1. So assume, next assumption, Sn is true for arbitrary integer, that is k. Arbitrary integer, that is k. Next, rewrite Sn replacing n by k. Okay, rewrite Sn. Once again you write it by replacing n by k. Next, we show that S of k plus 1 is true. S of k plus 1 is true. So generally to achieve this S of k plus 1 is true, what we will do is that we will add k plus 1th term on both sides of Sk and simplify RHS to show that Sk plus 1 is true. Finally, we conclude that Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. So this is what the steps we have to follow. See, for example, if this is a real number system, so here 0 is coming, next number is 1, next number is 2, next number is 3. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on so forth. You know this real number system. Is it right? So what I will do is that so you can see here, if it is a real number system, if you are taking k, what is the next term? What is next term? K plus 1. Next term is k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay, so similarly this is k minus 1, k minus 2, k minus 3, so on so forth. So always if k is there, next term is k plus 1. Okay, like this way. If k is there, next term is k plus 1. If k plus 1 is there, then next term is k plus 2. If k plus 3 is there, next term is k plus 4. If k minus 1 is there, next term is k. If k minus 2 is there, next term is k minus 1. This you should know. So because of that I am telling. So next thing is that the examples are very simple here. Okay. So they will give you, these are all this sorry question paper example has already here. Okay, so you can see the first one, prove by mathematical induction. So what we have to prove is that, okay, prove by mathematical induction. So summation of I is from 1 to n, so you can write, hello, because summation sign is there, summation of I equal to 1 to n can be written as 1, first n is equal, I is equal to 1, next I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, in between plus sign is coming. So I am writing it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. So that is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. This we have to prove it by mathematical induction. So I told you, let us take a solution now. So what we will do is that Sn you write. Sn means what? Either solution.
And the Astra Bandra.
No, Kirti. So summation of
Sorry, sir.
I equal to 1 to n. Okay. So you take this as Sn. This you treat it as Sn. So that either writing this or this, it doesn't matter. Just I written this only. Okay. So that is what I will do is that Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So RHS is what? N plus 1 divided by 2. So first I have to prove n is equal to 1. So that is S of 1 I have to say true. So for that what I will do is that take LHS. N is equal to 1 you write. This is LHS. Directly write n is equal to 1. So that is what LHS. Next you take RHS. So n plus 1 divided by 2 is RHS. So there we have to take n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 1 plus 1 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 2. That is 1. LHS and RHS is 1. So I can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, once you have proved LHS is equal to RHS, so therefore S of 1 is true. Therefore S of 1 is true. Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now the next result, just assume n by k. Next result is just assume Sn is true for n is equal to k. Means wherever n is there, write it k. That is what your work is. So here you can see here n is there, write it k. 1 plus 2 plus 3 same thing. Here n is there, write it k. So n plus 1 divided by 2 is there, k plus 1 divided by 2. Wherever n is there, just assume. Just assume, okay, the result is true for n is equal to k. Okay, so writing till here, see, this is all very simple steps. Writing this much will give you 3 marks, sometimes 4 marks, it depends. Okay, so at least this much. So now I said you k plus 1th term we have to add both the side. K plus 1th term we have to add both the sides of equation 1. So this is what equation 1 is, right? I have to add k plus 1th term. So after k, see, this is k. Okay, after k, what is the next term you tell me? K plus 1, is it right? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
that nth plus 1, k plus 1th term, no? So for this LHS you can see that next term we have to see. Okay, next term is k plus 1, that I have to add it both the side. See here, see, till here this is same, but we are adding k plus 1th term both the side. For this also I am adding, for this also I am adding. Okay, so therefore you can see k plus 1, that is equal to k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. I have to add it. Next, this, about this you don't worry. About this you don't worry. Just simplify RHS. Simplify RHS. So that is k plus 1, 2 is LCM, 2 into k plus 1. What is common here? K plus 1 is common, k plus 2 is inside. Okay, so friends, you can see here, this is k plus 1. K plus 2, I'll write it as k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so everyone, this result 1 and result 1 and result 2, you compare. So this k is replaced by k plus 1, k is replaced by k plus 1, that's it. Therefore you can say that from comparing 2, okay, the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. You can see this results also, wherever n is there, k plus 1 is there, wherever n is there, k plus 1 is there. Therefore I can say that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Therefore sk plus 1 is true. Thus by principle of mathematical induction, Sn is true for all n greater than or equal to 1. So only this much you have to do it. So for all example, this is type 1 example. In type 2 some other examples are there. So you tell me whether you understood or not understood.
Understood, sir.
Okay, fine. So next, all it is similar examples only. Okay, so only bit is changed. In type 2 examples, no, you may get some variation. What is that variation? I'll tell you. This model is very easy, don't worry. So second example, so prove by mathematical induction. So given thing is this, given thing is this. So solution, summation of I square, I is from 1 to n, so that you write it as n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6. I square, this I square, write it in detail, means I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, summation sign is there, in between plus sign will come. So that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on up to n square. This remains as it is, RHS. That is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So this, I'll take it as Sn. Therefore, Sn is this. Sn is this. So let us go for S of 1. Take LHS. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on up to n square. So n equal to 1 you take. What is 1 square? That is 1. You take RHS. 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1. That I wrote it in detail here, divided by 6. This is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 divided by 6. 3 2s are 6 divided by 6. 6, 6 get cancels, so it is 1. So you are getting LHS 1, RHS 1, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, therefore S of 1 is true. S of 1 is true. So next thing is that, next you have to just assume n is equal to k. Okay, wherever n is there, write it k. So that is this statement, you can see this statement, sk 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so up to k square, k plus 1, 2k plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, now we will add k plus 1th term. So for k square, just to take it as k. Okay, so k next term is k plus 1, therefore k square next plus term is k plus 1 the square. So what I will do is that I'll add both the side, you can see. So now add k plus 1th term to both sides of equation 1. So this is important. Okay, I'll add it, k plus 1th term the square, k plus 1 the square. So simplify this. 6 is LCM. K plus 1, 2k plus 1, 6 is missing, k plus 1 the square. See here, k plus 1, k plus 1 is common. Okay, k plus 1 is common, inside k, 2k plus 1 plus 6 plus 6, 1k plus n is outside, 1k plus 1 is inside. K plus 1 divided by 6. I'll write it here. 2k square plus k plus 6k plus 6. 2k square plus k plus 6k plus 6. So next thing is that therefore what I will do is that k plus 1 the square divided by 6. 2k square plus 7k plus 6. See, this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Solve it. So 6 2s are 12. By addition or subtraction, I want 7. That is 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore, 2k square plus 4k plus 3k plus 6. So 2k is common, k plus 2 plus 3 into k plus 2. So k plus 2 is common. I'll take out 2k plus 3. 2k plus 3. That I have written here. So that is k plus 1 as it is. Next k plus 2 as it is. So 2k plus 3 I'll write 2k plus 2 plus 1 that is 3. So this term I'll write it like this way. Both are same only. Okay. So we just compare 1 and 2. Wherever n is there, n plus 1 is coming. This is n plus 1. Here n plus 1 is there, n plus 2 is coming. So wherever n is there, n plus 1 is coming. So we can say that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Therefore, sk plus 1 is true. We can say that by the principle of mathematical induction, Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. Any doubts? Okay, fine. So next example. Next example is summation of I 2 raised to I is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 2 raised to n plus 1. Okay. So please here what you can do is that I into 2 raised to I is there, no? Allow I is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. 1 2 raised to 1 2 2 square 3 3 cube so on up to n 2 raised to n, that is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 raised to n plus 1. So this you write it and take that as Sn. Okay. So next, therefore S of 1 we will check it. Take LHS. So LHS means only for this. This is a no. Here n is equal to 1 we have to take. So n equal to 1 in the sense 1 into 2 raised to 1, that is equal to 2, and you take RHS. This is RHS. So 2 plus n is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 2 raised to 1 plus 1. See, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So this term reduces to 0. 2 is coming. So LHS is 2, RHS is 2. LHS is equal to RHS I am writing. Therefore, S of 1 is true. Therefore, S of 1 is true. So after this, we have to assume the result is true for n is equal to k. So just wherever n is there, write it k. So that is, you can see once again I am rewriting these things. So till here n is replaced by k. That's it. Next, for this term and this term, I am adding the next term, that is k plus 1th term. So this is till here you write it. This is as it is. Next, add the k plus 1th term. So for this k, So here you can see here till here till here we are writing as usual. First k is there, then next term is k plus 1. So 2 raised to k is there. So next term is 2 raised to k plus 1. This I have to add it both the side. This term I have to add it. I have to add it both the side. Okay. So what I will do is that k plus 1 2 raised to k plus 1. So this you write it as it is. This you write it as it is, plus k plus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1. This you simplify and say that wherever n is there, no, you should get k plus 1. That's it. So that is 2. Between these two you can see what is common. 2 raised to k plus 1, 2 raised to 2 raised to k plus 1 is common. K minus 1 plus k plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancels. So k plus k, that is 2k. That is 2k. So next thing is that this 2 k I'll write it here 2 raised to 1. So k raised to k plus 1, 2 raised to 1. Bases are same. Bases are same. We can add the powers. 2 raised to k plus 1 into 2 is 2 raised to k plus 1 plus
1
plus 1. Thank you. So that is 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 1. So that is 2 plus k, 2 raised to k plus 2. Okay, 2 plus, see here, k plus 1 minus 1, because I want it in the standard form. So because of that I'll add 1, I'll subtract 1. 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 1. That k plus 2 is there, no? That 2 I'll write 1 plus 1. Okay, so therefore 2 plus k plus 1 I'll group it minus 1, 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 1. So friends, listen here. So this is what is the nth term? So nth term is 2 plus n minus 1, 2 raised to n plus 1. Here instead of n we are getting k plus 1. That is very very important. So from 1 and 2 you compare. Okay, the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Therefore yes, k plus 1 is true. Thus by principle of mathematical induction, Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. You can write it. The things are very simple here. Okay, so next thing is that, coming to this example, given thing is this. Okay, so just allow I equal to 1 2 3 4 and so on, and write it as Sn. So I is equal to 1. So 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1, 1 upon 3 into 3 plus 1, 1 upon n into n plus 1, that is equal to n upon n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4. So now to 1 upon n into n plus 1, that is equal to n upon n plus 1. So first I have to prove that n is equal to 1 is true. So that is, take LHS. This is LHS. N is equal to 1. 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 upon 1 into 2. 1 by 2. Next, RHS you take n upon n plus 1. 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. So this is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, S of 1 is true. Next, assume the result is true for n is equal to k. Same result you write n is equal to k. Okay. Next, we have to add k plus 1th term on both the side of equation 1. For k plus 1 is the next term. For k plus 1, k plus 2 is the next term. So therefore you can see here 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2 k upon k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2. See here 1 upon k plus 1 is common, k plus 1 upon k plus 2, 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2. Okay, LCM, k here LCM is missing, k plus 2 plus 1, 1 upon k plus 1, k into k square, this is 2 into k 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 2, 1 upon k plus 1 k square, 2k I'll write it as k plus k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. So next k is common, 1 upon k plus 1 as it is, k is common, so k plus 1 plus k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. So k plus 1 is common, k plus 1, k plus 1 k plus 1 get cancels, k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. So k plus 1 divided by k plus 2 is there, no, that 2 I'll write it as 1 plus 1. So earlier result is what, n upon n plus 1. This result is what, k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 1. Means what, the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay, so therefore by principle of mathematical induction, Sn is true for all n greater than equal to 1. Okay, so any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay, so if you have any doubts, these are the examples of type 1. So I completed. Tomorrow I'll take type 2 examples. Before going to tomorrow examples, okay, any doubts you tell me. So another 5 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can. The whatever the things you are not understood, so you can please. I'm ready to explain once again. If you, I'll send the notes, you don't worry, but ask the doubts. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No? So tomorrow, same using mathematical induction only, I'll prove type 2 example. There it is a procedure. We are not using the same procedure. Okay, bit everything is same, bit only bit of the thing is changed. What is that change? We will experience in the tomorrow's class only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Shall we wind up?
Yes, sir.
And for coming internal assessment, I am keeping this mathematical induction also, that you keep in a mind. Okay. Thank
Sir,
you.
ma'am also will give, no, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Math model.
yeah. Even ma'am portion is there, my portion is there. Okay, thank you.